Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Jergens Sol is probably one of the most sought-after sunless tanning products on the market, promising a natural-looking glow without the harmful UV exposure. And today we're diving deep into whether this popular mousse lives up to the hype, examining its application, scent, color development, and overall user experience to help you decide if it's the right addition to your beauty routine for achieving that coveted sun-kissed look. Number 5. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner. Get that sun-kissed look without the sun. Our self-tanner delivers a beautiful, natural glow that you'll love. Crafted with care in the USA, it features natural and organic ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Infused with aloe vera and coconut, this lotion deeply moisturizes your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Enjoy a flawless finish every time. This formula is designed for easy, streak-free application, ensuring an even tan. Whether you desire a subtle warmth or a deeper tan, it's perfect for achieving medium to dark shades. Get your ideal summer glow. What we like. This option is made with natural and organic ingredients, offering a moisturizing formula with aloe vera and coconut. If you have sensitive skin or prefer clean beauty, this is a great choice for a natural glow. It's ideal for those seeking a hydrating and gentle sunless tan. What people say. It is a lightweight mousse that is easy to apply and dries quickly. It gives a natural-looking tan that is streak-free and buildable. The scent is light and pleasant, not like other self-tanners. Number 4. B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner Kit. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed glow without the sun. This kit includes our popular dark sunless tan mousse. It's designed to give you a deep, natural-looking color. Enjoy a tan that lasts. This formula provides vibrant color for up to 11 days, ensuring a long-lasting result. Need a quick tan? Our express foam develops a gorgeous color in just 1 hour. It's perfect for when you're short on time. Say goodbye to that unpleasant fake tan odor. This product is formulated to leave you smelling fresh and clean. Achieve a streak-free finish with the included mitt applicator. It makes application smooth and effortless for an even tan. What we like. This kit offers an ultra-long-lasting tan that can stay for up to 11 days, with a 1-hour express option. If you need a tan that lasts and want the flexibility of a quick application, this is perfect for you. It's designed for those who want a deep, lasting bronzed look without frequent reapplication. What people say. This product is a game changer for achieving a natural-looking tan without the sun. It's easy to apply and blend seamlessly, leaving no streaks. The mousse formula is lightweight and dries quickly, which I love. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the skin. I was impressed by how evenly it developed a beautiful, golden brown color. It smells pleasant too, not like the typical self-tanner scent. Number 3. USA-made natural and organic self-tanner mousse. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan without the sun. Our mousse is made with natural and organic ingredients for a healthy glow. Say goodbye to streaks and orange tones. This clear, non-toxic foam applies smoothly for a flawless, even finish every time. Designed to give a sun-kissed look to all skin tones, especially pale skin. Get that radiant glow you desire. Proudly made in the USA, we ensure the highest quality ingredients. Experience a safe and effective way to get your tan. We believe in the power of nature. Our formula uses only natural and organic ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're applying. Enjoy a sunless tan without worry. It's clear, non-toxic, and free from harsh chemicals, providing a safe and gentle tanning experience. What we like. This mousse is made with natural and organic ingredients, featuring a clear, non-toxic formula that avoids an orange hue. If you're pale or worried about a fake tan color, this product is ideal for a streak-free, natural finish. It's best for those who want a subtle, buildable tan without any unwanted tones. What people say. This product is a great way to get a natural-looking tan without the sun. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The mousse formula is lightweight and does not feel sticky on the skin. Number 2. Ultra Dark Self-Tanning Drops for Face. Unlock a radiant, sun-kissed complexion with our revolutionary tanning drops. These are designed to give you an ultra-dark, natural-looking tan without the sun. Crafted with care in the USA, our formula features organic and natural ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Simply add a few drops to your favorite moisturizer for a customized tan. Adjust the amount to achieve your desired level of darkness. Enjoy a beautiful, sunless tan from the comfort of your home. It's an easy and effective way to get a flawless fake tan. We are committed to ethical beauty. Our product is cruelty-free and free from harmful toxins, ensuring a safe and guilt-free glow. What we like? These drops are designed for the face, allowing you to add them to your favorite moisturizer for an ultra-dark sunless tan. If you want a customizable dark tan specifically for your face and prefer a gradual build, these are an excellent option. They are perfect for those who want to easily achieve a deep facial glow. What people say. The color develops gradually and looks natural and even, not orange or streaky. I like that I can control how light or deep the tan is depending on how many drops I use, which makes this great for both face and body. The color develops into a beautiful, natural golden glow, never orange and never streaky. I can easily customize the intensity by mixing a few drops into my daily moisturizer, which makes it perfect for maintaining that sun-kissed look. This formula is very buildable and mild, which I actually like. With some other self-tanners, even 3 drops can look super pigmented, but with this one I usually use about 5 to 6 drops on my face to get the shade I want. It gives you more control over how deep you want the tan. Number 1. B.TAN Violet Self-Tan Foam and Face Mist Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Violet Self-Tan Foam and Face Mist Kit. Get ready for a beautiful, sun-kissed glow without the sun. This bundle includes everything you need for a seamless application. The included mid ensures an even, streak-free finish every time. Our 1-hour express formula allows you to achieve your desired depth of tan quickly. Simply wash off after an hour for a natural-looking result. Enjoy the process without the unpleasant odor. This formula is designed to leave you smelling fresh, not like a fake tanner. The face mist provides a gradual, buildable bronzing glow for your complexion. Use it daily to maintain your tan or achieve a subtle sun-kissed look. This kit is your all-in-one solution for a gorgeous, natural-looking tan. Achieve a beautiful bronzed look from head to toe with ease. What we like? This bundle includes a violet toned mousse and a face mist for a bronzing glow, with a 1-hour express option and no fake tan smell. If you're looking for a sophisticated, cool tone tan and enjoy a dual-purpose kit for both face and body, this is a fantastic choice. It's suited for those who want a quick, pleasant tanning experience with a refined color. What people say. It's a great product that gives a natural-looking tan. The mousse is easy to apply and dries quickly. It doesn't leave any streaks or patches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.